Good morning, everyone. Now this is a strange view, but these are my letters, and I can kind of show you, well, I'll show you a picture of them at the end in my scrapbook room when I'm finished. But this, I keep my letters in this, and I think it was Janet from RTS Scrapbooking that told us about these. And I have all my thicker, or the dimensional letters in here, but it is so jam-packed I can hardly move it. And I have to say that some of them in here are, I know one of these have hardly any letters on it at all, and like this one here. So I am going to condense these and try to make this so it's not so full, and then I'll come back at the end and show you what I have done, and then I'll show you where they're at in my scrapbook room. I use these, I think they're 12 by 12 bags, and I will try to find the link for these and these containers and put them down below. I got them both from Amazon. And the other one is my flatter stickers, and actually I had some of these actually in there too, but now it's just the ones with the dimensional letters are just so overloaded that I can't put them in there. So I'm gonna try to do that. Otherwise I might have to put some of those in here, but I would like to keep them separated because I really like using those more, and I just go to these if I don't have enough of the letters I want. I mean, more and more I've been going over here just because my other letters are so depleted. But I'm gonna work at organizing them, and then I'll come back at the end and tell you what I've done and show you where they're at in my room. Okay, I'm back. Now this is the things that the trash I ended up with. And did I say a piece of that? Yes. So this is what I was able to get rid of. Packaging, some letters that I had to MacGyver. Okay, and then I also found these in there, which I'm not really sure where to put them, but I'm going to put them with those other words that I have. This is baby, so I'm going to put it with baby. These here. These I actually got from my daughter because she decided she wasn't going to scrapbook and give everything to me to do the scrapbooking, which, I was going to anyway. So, I've got part of her stuff in my art room too, so it makes kind of extra mess, but I'm working it out. It's okay. I'm just going to stick these in here. These words are these ones here are, they're rub-ons, but they haven't had the sheet behind them, so I don't know how they'll work. I'll probably practice one before I decide to use one. So those things I need to put someplace else. And also these, I found more words, and these are stickers, more girl things, so they were in there, so I'm going to put those away. And then I have some more rub-ons, so I need to put those where they go. I did find another container that had letters in it, so I put those in here. So now the only one I've just got this much space left, but I think I've gone through everything that I would want to put in here. So now my goal is just to use it. Okay, and so I did break this down enough that it's like before it was like, this big gap here. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I broke down. Now this one here, it's like, because they're those chipboard stickers, they are so loose in the package that I didn't bother to do that with them. But other things, like these here, they're from the Dollar Tree, and I had bought 2 of the small letters and 1 of the capital. And so they were in 3 packages, so I put them in one. And this here, I bought 2 packages of these, so I packaged them into one. And the same way with, oh, I think the other ones are in, my more dimensional stickers are what's in this one, so. And if I can fold that back over, I'll put it back away. So I was thinking there was one other one in here, but it's not. It's in the other one. And I've got them color, like multicolor, and then it goes into white, and then pink, and then the colors of the rainbow. Now, these are ones, like this one here, I think I had actually 4 of these because I kept running out of A's. And so I have condensed them into 3 by just taking off the letters, you know, and putting them with the other ones. And I actually had that already done. And so whenever I could condense them like that, this is another set that I was able to, let's see, I think I must have had 3 of these too. And I think you get 2 in a package, 2 full sets. And so I broke those down into 2 now instead of 3. And that's been helpful. I think the red, I think I tried to do the red and it got me down to these are different red ones, but well, the same as one of the packages I'm sure I showed you. And so yeah, you get 2, I think, of each. So you end up with, so I bought 4, so it ended up that I was able to at least get it down to, you know, 1 and then a package that's got just a few in it. And then some, like these here, I just purchased these and I had 2 of them. So I put 2 into 1 package, because that way I only have 1 cardboard piece in there. And I did that with some other ones in here too, just to condense them. And I know I condensed these because I have 3 packages of those, but I must have had 4. Or no, I had 3. So now I have 2 full ones, and then this one it's like this side is full, this side I haven't been able to get it all off there yet. So at least it's not as crowded as what it was before. And then other ones that I think some of them I just was not able to condense it enough, like these gold ones. So I didn't do those. And then this is one where I kept finding other stuff in it. And so I did condense things, like I had 2 packages of these, so I put them into 1, because that way I just have less cardboard. And I did find that I had 2 of these, but I think my daughter had given me 1, so it's like I'm just trying to get things. Oh, and these came 1 to a package, but I condensed them into, I had 2 of them and I condensed them into 1. So it's like a little less cardboard in there. This one wasn't quite as full, but some of the things are taller. So I was unable to shut, or it didn't shut real well. So now it's shuts pretty good. And I was able to get rid of a little trash and transfer some of the things in there. Whoa, got this one totally out of whack in there. Okay, so I'm happy to get that done, and I did put the ones that were loose into this container. So this one is almost full, but I think I shouldn't have any more to put in there. And then I will put these away, and then I will have a photo of what these look like on my shelf. I also wanted to show you this is like a freebie. I went on to Simple Stories, their website, and I'll try to find it again because I did this probably almost a month ago. But anyhow, I was looking through to see if there was this Simple Stories, if they had like things that they put on sale. And it seems like they did have things that they put on sale. They also had, if you were a wholesale seller, then you could buy things on there. But anyhow, I looked up to see if they had downloadable stuff. And they did. They had these things. This was, I think this might have been one I just accidentally did a couple. This, if you go to free printables, or I think it was, and I'll write that down below when I load the information of how to get here, the address. And so anyhow, this would have been the January kit. So it's like they had this in there. I don't think I printed out the whole thing. You could actually print out the front page too that shows everything. But I figured I would just save ink and paper by just printing out these things. But I thought that was neat. And they had the whole month. Now I did that one. I know some of it, the first one I just did to see if I could even do it, because it's like I'm 66. It's like, sometimes the computer and the internet is not work for me. But I thought this one was perfect because it's hard to find St. Patrick's Day stuff, and I have so many things so many pictures of the grand twins, because my daughter always does them up St. Patrick's style. And so these are the things that came with the March kit. And and one of these was on each one of them, but I thought that's cute. I mean, I could use that on a page. And then you get these journaling cards. Look at how pretty that is. It's just so pretty. And then have all these little cut aparts. Here's a rainbow and a cloud. And I just have them divided with paper. And this one, I'm not sure which, this may be May, because it's got or April, May, maybe May, because it's got the flowers. It's got the quote. Oh, and this is the one I accidentally printed out. I had, it just was not cooperating. And so I ended up with extra of that one. I think one of them, oh yeah, this one, I only got a half a page. It was when I was having computer problems. And since then, my computer's been working really good. And it will continue to work good in Jesus' name, amen. And so I got 2 of those from that one. So a lot of that one, I think I ended up printing it out twice, just trying to get it to print. And so it ended up in my printer, whatever that little thing is that says, oh, you still have things to print. And it just kept wanting to print. I think it wanted to print it about 5 times because I thought, oh, it's not printing. And I just kept pushing the button. So there's these cut aparts that come with it. And I just thought it was a nice freebie. And so those are the things from that. And that's all I seen was those kind of things. But there was every month. And I only printed out 3. So, I would definitely go in and pick up a few that you think you could use. I mean, the St. Patrick's Day one, it's really hard to find St. Patrick's Day things. And so that was really exciting to me. But, I mean, this would be really cute, even on a school page. So I wanted to share that with you. And so I think that's all for today. Tomorrow I might show my my art room, I mean, it's far from perfect, but I thought I would show you how it is now. My closet is a disaster. It looks, and I'll tell you, I had it so nice, and one day on Instagram, I seen it, and it's like, oh, my closet was so pretty. I mean, I loved my closet, and then I just have messed it up since then. And then I have a cabinet in there that's not clean, but I'll kind of show you the perimeter, because that's where mostly my scrapbook stuff is, and I can show you my drawers and stuff. And since I've been showing you where I have stuff, you know, what I have stuff in, it's like that, you know, I won't have to show you those things, but and if there's something that you want to see that I don't show you, then you can always just tell me then. So I should be back tomorrow with that tour, and I'll try to make it a short one. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.